I finally bought some Ryze coffee. I chose the matcha Ryze and the regular mushroom Ryze. I got the acacia spoon for free. To make the mushroom coffee, add 1 tablespoon of Ryze to 8 to 10 ounces of hot or cold water. Add the creamer of your choice, a dab of honey, stir. So let me say this. This video is not sponsored and this opinion is of my own. It definitely has a non-coffee-like aroma, which we'll say is earthy and mushroom-like. However, you can add your creamer, milk, sugar, honey, however you like to accommodate your coffee, and enjoy. So let's take a look at the benefits. The brew includes cordyceps for stamina, lion's mane for focus, reishi for stress relief, king trumpet for inflammation, turkey tail for digestion, and shiitake for immunity.